inside.
Tickets for the Thousand Miles Escort! I got the ticket!
Master Boo!
Big Zhao, so this is the renowned no...
You spin tall tales?
I never spin tall tales. See? Master Boo carries a book with him where...
The Analects?
Read other books too, not just that one.
That explains it. This book, half of it looks brand new.
That's because Master Boo's known for
Big Zhao.
The one doesn't. Come on, show Master Boo what you found.
Big Zhao, do you think he really knows?
Ghost mask, straw shoe. I remember now. It's a mask of the 9 mortal ways.
9 mortal ways? The 9 mortal ways that come and go without a trace?
They say the 9 mortal ways of life. They're said to be everywhere. There's even a rumor.
Underground?
Beyond the Netherworld Road and the Two-Realm Bridge, like the Ghost Market.
Is such a place really real?
Since you have a mask here, I'm afraid.
It's true?
Yes.
Master Boo, have you seen this mask before?
I once saw a mask like this on a friend from the 9 mortal ways. It was nothing like this before.
12. That's going to make things tricky. Is there any way to find out who this mask belongs to?
The 9 mortal ways are very secretive. If you want answers,
Wait, do we really gotta go to the underworld for this
There's
investigation?
no choice. Either go now, or wait 7 days and let the poison take hold. Would you prefer?
locate the ferryman and purchase a ticket. That's your pass to the 9 mortal ways. From what I know, the ferryman can be found in the Forsaken Quarter.
Let's head there right away.
Wait. The ferryman lives by, born at Cockrow, dies at Manrest. He won't be around right now. We had better meet at the Forsaken Quarter early.
Is that a real thing?
In fine view. It is time for me to return.
Hey, don't tell me after all that effort to get the ticket, George is...
Oh, it's getting late. The snow's coming. How about some roast meat at my place? Oh, it's getting late. The snow's coming. How about some roast meat?
Sounds great. If you want to give it a taste, young wanderer.
East or west. Hometown dishes are the best.
Veggies at a steal! Veggies, veggies, veggies! Selling them quick and low! Sorry, all the crab-stuffed oranges are sold out. Once crab season returns, you can have as much as you want. Veggies, veggies, veggies! Selling them quick and low! Cilantro and bean sprouts, scallions and tender greens, flat beans. looking good. See here.
Where's Master Fu, Big Zhao?
His wife won't let him leave the house, but he did. Rules. That ghost market is hidden in the shadows. If you slip up on just one rule when you meet the ferryman... Here, take a look.
Alright, I got it.
That fast? This if you give the wrong coin, dead. If you knock the wrong number of times, dead. Say the wrong secret code, dead.
Oh, relax. I'm human, not a chicken. I won't get my throat slit that easily. Shall we go?
The ferryman says only one passenger per boat. We can't go together. How about you go first? You're a lawyer after all, and me,
Alright, I'll go first.
I'll cover you here. Call out if you get into trouble.
Spare some coins. Please, I beg of you. Azure Long, Black Turtle, at third watch singing of coffin raising.
What?
Poor soul.
Coffin raising.
Here.
The one who went into the...
Did the officials take care of it already? Why are we still stuck on guard duty?
Big Zhao, you...
Go now!
Constable Joe.
Oh, Joe! Long time no see!
Big Zhao! You...
What about me? How's your wife? Last time you kept something from her. Is everything all right?
It's you!
Hey, kid, did anyone come here just now?
Oh,
Why are you dressed like that?
Granny Turtle is selling little turtles. Turtles.
Selling what now?
Selling these, officer.
Granny Turtle's selling her little ones. Clever business, right? All right. We'll search that way.
You can come out now.
Lufu, why are you here? You...
I live here. Why about you? Why are the...
It's a long story. Big Zhao's still out there. I have to help him.
Wait! If you go now, you'll surely get caught.
You?
I've got some amazing friends out there, too.
Be careful, Lufu. Bring Big Zhao back in one piece, and I'll forget you ever tricked me.
I tricked you? Oh, right. I remember now. Just wait here.
Have some water. Just help.
Thanks, Granny Turtle. I'd be done for if you hadn't helped.
Is this how life is for you, young who want? Do you wandering heroes?
Not always. They're good, even glorious days.
Oh, that's good.
Why do the 9 mortal ways want this Hongsu scroll?
Have some water. Just...
Thanks, Granny Turtle. I'd be done.
Is this how life is for Do you wandering heroes spend...
Not always. They're good, even glorious days. This scroll, well...
Oh, that's good. That's good. What's the matter, child? Why the long face?
Oh, it's nothing, point.
Ah, my daughter's also wandering with Young. I worry she's having
Your daughter? Is your daughter Lufu?
Oh, no, she's not mine. My daughter, she's about your age. If you ever need anything, child, just say the word. I'll try to help.
Thanks, but... Granny Turtle, I do have a question. Have you heard of the ghost market?
The ghost market? You can't say I have. But neighbors have been talking about
Ghosts?
Yes, I heard a story about a straw basin seller who couldn't get... When she woke up, she was lying in the street. She looked up and the street was filled with ghosts. Frightened, she tried to hide, but a ghost saw her and in a flash took a straw basin and said, "This would make a fine head." Then the ghost left with the basin, and the poor seller froze in fear because the ghost threw some spirit money on her. She fainted, and when she woke up, she was still lying in the coffin. She sat up, and the spirit money fell into the coffin. It turned out all the spirit money had become tongue corns.
Tongue cones. Someone's over dead.
The very ones. She was so startled, she couldn't tell if it had all been a dream. Then suddenly, someone knocked at the door. Who'd be knocking on a coffin shop's door in the middle of the night? The sound was strange, like someone knocking with a straw basin. Thud, thud, thud. Child, don't be scared. I'll get the door.
Mother, don't worry. It's just us. Hey, Big Zhao, get that basin off your head already.
Oh, Big Zhao, it's you. Why do you have a basin on your head?
Well, it was a bit of an emergency.
She was standing there, but I'm glad you're okay.
Yingying.
It's me, Mother. I'm back.
It's
It's you?
You two know each other.
Oh, we go way back.
Mother, this is a friendly kid out there. Let's talk outside. Kind hero, don't you remember me? It's Yingying. Let's step outside and talk.
I forget you, especially after that dinner you treated me to.
Come on, kind hero, don't be mad. If it weren't for my advice, you wouldn't have been able to pay for the meals, right? So it wasn't exactly wrong to say I treated you to dinner. I gave you the advice and you earned money. Win-win.
I did all the work. Your crew almost won all the coins. If I hadn't kept my guard up, I'd probably be stuck washing dishes somewhere.
Easy now, calm down. With your sharp wits, I knew you would fall for that. Anyway, you didn't lose anything, so are you good?
In your dreams. How about this? You don't have to pay the whole bill. Just half will do.
Not a problem. If you promise us to say a word to my mother, I'll pay you back.
Oh, still making empty promises? Pay me now, or I'll tell your mother everything.
Hey, can you keep this up high? I won't like you anymore.
Yingying, are you two fighting?
Us? Fighting? No, we're the best of friends.
Huh? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Well, if you're done chatting.
Right, we're behind you. I really want to pay you back, but I'm having money right now.
But you're not for business. How do you have the money?
Making money is all about the right opportunity. If there's anything else you help with, just ask.
Really? Not another empty promise?
Since you know where I live, I've got nowhere to hide.
True. Have you ever opened this treasure basin?
And you want to talking about it? You're looking for it too?
Yes, I came here chasing leads. I need someone local to help me. If you help me find the thief, you won't have to pay me back.
Huh, a bowl of noodles for the treasure basin. You're a better stealer than I am. All right, it's a deal. I'll help you look, but you keep it hush-hush. Deal?
Deal.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, you're here too.
No, I'm not here.
She's heading this way. She's heading this way. She's heading this way. This way. Then why are you running away? So you three were idiots here trying to stand me at the Deepens Bazaar. The bill's still not coming back. You ain't got me to pay for dinner, and you...
I don't understand a word you're saying. Seriously, not a single word.
Empty. Where's the money? Give me the money.
Money. That's not from us.
You won't let me buy your story now, do you? I saw that by myself. It's only been 2 days. She spent it all.
I used all my best for my child. Not a single one left. I can't pay you back.
Can't pay me back, or you just won't. I truly feel for your child. Helping willingly is one thing, but stealing from me is another. Having a hard life doesn't give you the right to steal and rob.
What's going on here? Why are you arguing? Little Joe, are you in debt because of your child's medicine again? I'll cover Little Joe's debt this time.
Mother, you're not going to use the treasure basin, are you?
Treasure basin?
I can't just let Little Joe be in debt. Young Wanderer, see if the money here is enough.
Ma'am, this is the treasure basin?
It is. Don't we have a song in Typhon? Every household has a treasure basin, and so does ours.
That's quite a collection, calling from every dynasty.
Mother, let's not use it. We'll maybe something else. Yeah, I'll find a way to help my child.
Don't worry, I'll earn the money back soon enough, and maybe even buy a shop for Yingying. Take a look, Young Wanderer. How much does she owe you?
Mother, we can't use the money here. I can help Lady Joe earn back what she owes. What you? Lady Joe, what will you tell your child? That the money you saved him was stolen? I understand. I'll do as you say, Amy. It's night already. Why don't you stay here for the night? I'll get to work first thing tomorrow. Got it. I'll be here first thing in the morning.
You need someone to help us, Big Zhao. I still don't have too much trouble with staying here.
No trouble at all. I'm still looking for you outside. Where else would you go? Just stay here.
Nice and hard, Grand Turtle. 天神元宝，千府元宝，九款 small source dynasties. Some of them are really dear. Life from Grand Turtle's son. That handwriting was so familiar.
be out hunting treasures like now. Our hero, he must be hungry after such a long day. I'll cook something for you.
You know, you want to cook?
There are a lot of things you don't know about me.
Wow, man, your grandpa's amazing. These little turtles are almost real. Do they sell well?
They sold decently before, but after the town coin ban, no one's been buying much.
Are you talking about the town coin conversation?
Yeah, they took all the town coins. Now everyone's short on money, just trying to make ends meet.
Come on now, there's me.
Yeah, let's begin. There's not much in the house. Yingying, should we get something for our guests?
No, it's really fine. See, it tastes good.
Sorry about that, young ones.
Not at all. Back in the army, we may do with much worse.
You were in the army? Oh, my son is too.
What are the chances? Which general does your son serve under?
Let me think. It's General Du, or General Du Chongwei. He even sent me a letter last month. Said he was at... where was it again?
Serving under General Du. Last month's letter.
You forgot, Mother? Brother said he was at Hangzhou. Big Zhao, you as well, right?
I do. The army garrison in Hangzhou. Next time I visit, I'll look him up.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Come, here.
Mother, it's too late. Look up his bed.
Good. Take good care of our guests. Maybe one day they'll see your brother.
Poor soul.
Thank you, Big Zhao.
No worries. I know things haven't been easy for you.
It's worse than tough on anyone. At least Mother and I have each other. Alright, that's enough for now. If there's any who else in the room, I'll clean up here.
Sit still. It's been a long day. My whole body aches.
Big Zhao, about what happened today? Something's... And how did tongue coins sud... The ferryman is Why would the... They say... Why would the ferryman of the night... In the story, the ferryman is true... The ferryman is truly... In the story, they say the 9 mortal ways dwell... In the story, they say... That mask is of the 9 mortal... If the ghost market... If one can get a ticket... If the ghost market... The 9 mortal ways... If one... That... If the 9 mortal... The 9 mortal... If one... If the... That... If that's the case, tracing the origin of the tongue coins may be used to the treasure basin. But Big Zhao, if the treasure basin can truly create coins, why would it make tongue coins?
You're still...
Big Zhao, sleep again. The letter from Granny Troll's son. The handwriting was just like Yingying's. No wonder Yingying and Big Zhao seem to be hiding something at dinner. Could Granny Troll's son already...
Du Chongwei died over a decade ago. His resistance against the Jitan ended in surrender and led to the deaths of many.
Hey, Big Zhao, are you awake?
Strange. Don't know why I drifted off so quickly. I usually have trouble sleeping. Last time I slept this time was back in the army. I like your spirit. If you'd been born a few years earlier, maybe we could have fought side by side.
Our soldiers must sleep lately. Why are you sleeping so soundly?
We had dreams, you know. But if we won the war, we'd save the world. Everyone wants to be a hero to save others, but in saving some, they end up taking lives as well. Every person killed has a mother waiting for them to come home. One life taken, one heart shattered. Sometimes I wonder, can't martial arts be an art of peace too?
Peace. Sleep again. Might as well get inside. If I had trained martial arts, I'd never have you down here.